The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a phone that doesn't really have a rival, at least not one that's widely available. Samsung may view being the lone brand pushing the foldable sector forward as a positive, but the reality is the lack of competition has done little to force Samsung to focus on the areas of this phone that needed to be improved the most. As a result, this is a minor upgrade in many ways. Samsung has taken an already good phone and added finesse to some areas to make it slightly better. The wider screen is welcome, if not a game changer, and the improved chip and camera are also welcome. Samsung has done its best with the software, although until developers and Google really start pushing this screen size, you're left with a majority of apps that don't feel quite right. It's also hard to ignore the price. At the high price, this device will be out of reach for many, while also being a ludicrous amount to spend on a phone that isn't necessarily better in any single area than a device costing half the price. Yet I've still found much enjoyment from using it, and if you're on the search for the best foldable phone, there can be little doubt that this is it. Samsung has nailed the durability aspects. The inner display is hard to beat for portability, and multitasking is cleverly implemented. If you're willing to spend the money, then with the Z Fold 4 you really are getting a device that's different. It feels futuristic, genuinely altering what you might expect from a smartphone. It's far from perfect, but this is the finest attempt yet at a foldable phone.